2017 Suzuki GSXR1000R integrated taillight installation. It's easy, few steps. All you need to do, take off your rear seat, use the 2 Allen keys and a Phillips screwdriver. That's all you need to install. What you're going to do is you're going to take out 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Then you're going to pop off this bolt. Take off your side piece so you can take your front seat off, both sides. And you're going to come down. You're going to pop out those 2 push pins, those 2 push pins. This whole tail piece here, wrapped around in here, it's going to pull straight off. And you're going to take this screw out. And then there's 2 screws, 1 and 2, to take your old tail light off. And when you're done, just reverse the process and put it in. There she is, smoked integrated tail light. Let you guys see how she looks. There's the left. Right. 4 ways. Looks good. Cancel those. Running light.